Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eleni. I am a second-year dental student at Tufts University. I feel like it's been so long since I've vlogged and I'm so excited to be back. I went on vacation last week in Montauk and I didn't vlog, but I made a little TikTok, so maybe I'll insert that here. And so I'm back now. It's Tuesday, July 6th, and I need to get organized again for school. I have a couple of online classes this week. I have to clean out my locker, stuff like that. So I wanted to do a little vlog this week, kind of like getting organized after vacation, how to like get back into the school mode kind of thing. So right now I'm going to write in my planner, write all of my classes for this week, meetings, things that I have to do. And then I'm gonna go for a run, kind of just like get back into my normal routines, coming back from vacation, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm excited to be back and doing weekly vlogs for you guys. I actually don't have much going on in the next 3 weeks. I basically just have like a couple of online classes. I have my first patient July 21st, I think, but I can start calling my patients and scheduling exams, patients that I got from my big. So I can start scheduling exams with them. And then August is the same thing. I have a couple of things going on, but not too much. Starting exams in August as well. Officially as a third year, I still have one more exam for second year. It's the complete dentures exam, the final, which I have on July 22nd. So there's one more exam really for second year, and then I'll like officially call myself a third year, even though like we're kind of already done with everything. There's just like this one more thing. So yeah, it's kind of been like a crazy and hectic last couple of weeks, but in June, but last week I finally got to take the week off, go on a little vacation. So it was really nice to relax, take it easy, get away from school for a little bit. So that was really nice, but now I need to get back into it, get organized. I have a few classes, like I said, so I need to get all the stuff organized for that. There's like a few quizzes and assignments I need to do. So I'm gonna write all that stuff down and get organized, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So first and foremost, you guys know I'm going to write in my passion planner. I've been using these planners for years and I love them so much. I highly recommend. So I'm going to start off by writing in my planner, and then I'm gonna go for a run in a little bit. So I just filled out my planner, not much going on. I just have a camera workshop, a nutrition workshop, and an operative materials workshop. So that's all I have right now on my planner, and then running for each day. I think I have a Zoom call on Thursday, but I'll write that down once I'm sure that we're still gonna have it. And right now I'm doing like the mid-year roadmap. There's one at the beginning of the planner for like the beginning of the year, and you write down all your goals for lifetime, 3 years, 1 year, and 3 months. So this is kind of just like the mid-year check-in. So I'm just filling that out right now. And then once I'm done with this, I'll go on my run and I will check in with you guys later. Hey guys, it's Wednesday now. It's just past 3 and I just took a shower. This morning I woke up and I went for a run. It was so hot though, so I only did like 2.5. And then I went to go get the car washed because it was all like sandy and gross from when we went camping. But and then I had lunch and I had a smoothie. I've been really into making smoothies recently. But now, so I have a class, like a workshop at 4:30, but I need to film a video and I'm going to do like a Q&A answering your questions. So I think I'm going to do that right now. I just have like so much that I need to catch up on since my vacation. There's a lot going on, a lot of videos I need to get out for you guys, get back into the rhythm. So yeah, there's just been a lot of things that I need to do, running around and stuff. So today has been pretty busy, doing a lot of things, but we're getting there. We're gonna get everything together. My room is a little bit of a mess. I need to fold my laundry, stuff like that, but we will get it all done. And yeah, so I'm going to film another video for you guys, and then I have my class at 4. I think it's a camera workshop, so I will update you guys about how the class went after. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit. I just finished my video, which was perfect timing because I have my class now at 4:30, but I have my smoothie here, which is so good. I just put a bunch of fruits in and kale, and it came out really good. And I forgot to tell you guys, my friend sent me a few things from Milk Bar for my birthday, and I'm so excited to try it all out. She sent me like cookies and truffles, and it was just so cute and so sweet. So if you guys have not heard of Milk Bar, you should check them out. There's one in Cambridge, and I think there's one in New York, but it's a really good bakery if you're into sweets and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm going to log on to my Zoom for this workshop, and I will talk to you guys after. Hey guys, it's Friday now. It's around 1 o'clock. Today I went and I cleaned out my old locker and I moved to my new locker. It's on the 4th floor now, which is where the clinic lab is. So I'm really excited about my new locker. It's a new locker, so it's not like the old lockers that I had like on the 8th floor. It's like a really nice like new locker, so I'm like really excited about it. It like has plenty of space and everything, so I'm really excited about that. I got the cast for our patients for my big, and yeah, I'm just like really excited about moving on to like the clinic and all that stuff, all these changes. So that was exciting. And then yesterday I just had a bunch of workshops. I had a camera workshop, and then I also had like an OHP workshop. So that was yesterday, and right now I'm just going to go get some sweet green, but I think I'm going to end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. Make sure to subscribe down below if you guys aren't already. And you guys can always follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting there about dental school. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.